All right, guys, welcome back. So now we're going to talk about your options for paying this off. Now, we already know when you're starting from scratch, you're going to pay off your statement balance in full. You have to promise that to me right now over this video, because if not, then credit cards are just not for you, and they're going to create a world of hurt for you in the future. So pay it off every month. Now, if you have a current balance, past decisions, whatever, up to this point, all of a sudden you are carrying a balance. It's okay. Let's just make a plan to get rid of it and to never carry a balance again. So our options for paying this off, we already went through the calculator for debt payment, either the snowball or the avalanche method, how much extra you're going to be able to put towards that paying it off on a monthly basis, in addition to the minimum payment that you're making right now. So what we're going to look at now is one strategy you can use to still reduce the overall cost of paying that off while you are paying it off. And this is through balance transfers. So like I mentioned, credit card companies want to incentivize you to use their cards. And there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of companies out there, a lot of different cards, and they all want you to use their card. And so they offer all types of incentives and rewards and things like that to incentivize you to use their card. Well, one of those is balance transfer option. So if you Google best balance transfer credit cards, you'll pull it up. I pulled it up and pulled up the first link, and I'll show it to you in a minute. But essentially, the idea is this. If you're carrying a balance, let's say it's $15,000. So you're carrying a $15,000 balance, paying 20% interest on that every year. Well, as you're paying it off, you're paying 20% interest the whole time, which is quite a bit. So instead of doing that, you can actually transfer that to a new credit card company and a new credit card. They'll essentially pay it off over here, and then you have a new balance on their card. They will charge you a small fee to do it. So sometimes it's like a small percentage of the total balance that you transfer. But then they'll charge 0% interest for a promotional period. That could be 12 months or 15 or 18 months. But during that whole time, you pay a small fee up front, but then you pay 0 interest on that balance during that period. And that allows you to repay it without racking up huge interest charges the entire time. It can be a great strategy to look at. So let's pull this up. The first link was Credit Karma. Now, there's a lot of websites that talk about credit cards, and they all have, the reason is because credit card companies want your business, and they're willing to pay handsome commissions. So all of these companies, they have these apply now and say, hey, these are our partners, advertiser disclosure, right? They're clicking on it. We all know how affiliate marketing works nowadays. You click on it and they're earning a commission. So that's why there's so many websites so happy to talk to you all about credit cards and which ones are the best. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this first option here. So we've got Citi, Simplicity. Here are the terms. No late fees, no penalty rate, and no annual fee ever. 0% intro APR, annual percentage rate, so interest rate, for 21 months on balance transfers from the date of first transfer, and then 0 APR for 12 months on new purchases. And then the variable APR rate will be somewhere in there. Balance transfers must be completed within 4 months of opening. Okay, so in other words, you can take this $15,000 that's on this other card, you can transfer it over to the Citi Simplicity card. The fee is a minimum of $5, but it's 5% of your balance. So if we do the math on that really quick, you're going to pay $750 to get it over there, but then they're not going to charge you any interest for 21 months. Okay, not bad. If it took you a year to pay this off, you're paying 20% already. That's $3,000. So while you're trying to pay this off over a year, you could be charged as much as $3,000. In this case, you're going to pay $750 up front for 0% interest rate while you pay it off. Okay, so that's a significant difference, right? $2,250 that you're saving during that time period. Okay, let's look at another one here really quick. This one, pretty much the same. 0% APR for 21 months, 5% balance transfer fee. Here's one, balance transfer, 3% balance fee, but regular transfer balance APR. There's no promotional period here. So that's not a great one if you're looking for this strategy. Here's one, Citi Rewards, 0% APR for 15 months. So that promotional period is a little bit shorter, but the intro fee is 3%. So they're only going to charge you 3% to transfer that balance over, but they're giving you less time to pay it off. Here's another Citi one, 0% for 18 months. Transfer fee is 3%. Discover, similar, 0% for 18 months, 3% fee upfront. Okay. So that gives you an idea of what cards are out there and how best to use those. One really, really important point to make here. If you look at the fine print of most of these, you're going to find that if you do not pay off that balance that you've transferred by the end of the promotional period, they are going to back charge you all of the interest that you should have paid. Let me repeat. If you have not fully paid off your balance by the end of the promotional period, then they can go and back charge you interest on your full balance that you transferred, okay, regardless of how much is currently on the card. That's a big gotcha if you don't know about it. You end up basically paying all of the interest you would have paid, plus you paid a balance transfer fee. So you paid even more, okay? Not helpful. So if the caveat here is, if you're going to transfer a balance over, make sure that your payment plan has you paying that off within the promotional period. You want to get it completely paid off so that it's at zero by the time the promotional period is up. So the ways you can do that, obviously, it's not going to be growing. The balance won't be growing during that period, right? It's a fixed balance as long as you're not using it for new spending. So that $15,000 is going to be fixed, and you're just going to divide out, okay, this promotional period is 18 months, so I'm going to pay it off in 17. So 15,000 divided by 17 months is the amount that you're going to pay to make sure it's paid off in full before the promotional period ends. Very important to do that, or else the strategy kind of implodes on itself, okay? So that's balance transfers. You can go check out cards, and it's a great strategy though, and it can help you save a ton of money on interest if you have a very intentional and active repayment plan going on. If not, then you're just kicking the can further down the road, and it's going to come back and bite you at one point. So that wraps it up for this video. We'll see you in the next one.
Stay smart, stay consistent, and keep pushing forward.